Sec, yung sa DPWH budget, kasi natapisan sila ng almost mahigit 20 billion. Ngayon, although sinabi ni Sec Vince na parang wala namang problema yon, pero makaka-apekto ba yon sa mga projects na gagawin nila for 2026?
Tingin ko hindi. Ganito yung mangyayari dyan, ano? Yung budget na per project, no? Pagka yung project nakakahanda ng mabuti, basta't i-bid ng tama, no? Public competitive bidding among accredited contractors. Kung ano yung estimated ABC, no, for the project, magbibid yung mga galing na contractors lamang, hindi kahit sino. Okay? Eh kung nakikita nilang mataas yan, maglalaban-laban sila, ibababa nila yan. Kung masyado naman mababa, hindi sila magbibid dahil malulugi sila. So the public competitive bidding is a corrective mechanism. So yun, ako, okay lang. Kung ano yung nandiyan dyan, i-bid niya lang ng tama.
Pero do you think, sir, yung projects, parang may implement pa rin siya ng maayos?
Of course,
Kahit-
of course.
So sir, wala kayong nakikitang compromise?
Well, nasa Kongreso na yan. No? I understand there are concerns from the bicameral, may mga gustong addition on. Basta, wag lang yung parehong budget last year. No? Eh, mas masahol yun.
Sir, about your supposed new role sa
Well,
DPWH.
I am really after for government to implement integrated water resources management program. Flood control is just one component. The full range includes water impounding, reforestation, debris and garbage management, and then flood mitigation measures. Remember what I kept saying, that 18 major river basins already cover 63 provinces nationwide. Ang laking epekto nun. So, government has to address the flooding through the master plan.
Sir, last na siguro, any advice for kung sino mga mapipiling bagong commissioner? Kapalit sa inyo?
Wala akong karapatan dun.
Advisor.
Well, I think the new commissioner should really be a lawyer. Ang dami-dami na documents that need to be looked at. So, hindi na kailangan engineer to